What's up, guys? This is my 18 volt wall thrower with a valve on it. Doing a head job. 4.3 Vortec 94 Chevy. One head down, one on its way. What I'm going to show you here is how to do a quick little valve clean if you guys want to do it at your house. Quick little home job. Let me set this up real quick.
For additional tuning and adjusting, such as changing rods and jets or adjusting bolt levels, you need to take the top of the carburetor off. Rods out. The metering rods are located underneath the two push kits.
Our flathead screwdriver. That's why I said sometimes a flathead screwdriver. Or if you have one of these, this is a cool tool. This is for taking the pipes off the sink, changing them out. Take a water brush. Okay. Whoa.
Don't try and use a filter on that side here. You're just going to strip the screws out and we're going to get the top off.
Light it enough, but not too much to mess any of the keyway up for the locker down. For lockers. Okay, I still have a little bit there. You can't see it, but I'm going to use this tool again, see if I can get it all off. Alright. Ow.
There's one there.
Let it sit on there for a minute. Okay, then. Get them all into the shaft, go like that. Don't touch this too much here. You don't want to mess with that at all. From here, yeah, a light here, and then you can go rough over here. But not really here. I mean here. Alright. Valve done. Clean.
Put those in.
Is that it?
Simple matter of just reversing the process and putting
Take it out. That's it.
Be very careful with the floats. You don't want to